afternoon. How are you? Hello, Nikita. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, great. We can get started then. Can you please quickly introduce yourself?
My name is Nikita Nana Kulpe. I completed my engineering from Sandeep Foundation, SIM. I completed my graduation in electrical engineering. I have 1.5 years of experience in automation. Uh, that's it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So, what kind of tools and technologies you use for your automation?
Um, I Selenium, the test engine. Then framework is data-driven testing framework I have used. Also Jenkins API. This all kinds of technology I have been used.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So, can you please quickly? Okay, let me quickly start. So, can you please quickly tell me the difference between instance variable, local variable, and static variable?
Uh, Instance variable we declare this variable in a class, but any block outside any block, outside any method, and outside any block, outside any method, and outside. Uh, yeah, it's called instance variable. Local variable, the accessibility of local variable is only inside the method. This variable is declared only inside the method. That's called local variable. And static variable, static static, na? Yes, static variable is declared outside any any method or any block called as static variable. So accessibility of static variable is overall it depends on program, and accessibility of local method is only inside the method, and instance variable is depends on accessibility scope of object. That's it.
Okay. All right. Okay, can you please tell me what is the difference between so what is meant by that, not a difference between, what is meant by the upcasting and downcasting in Java?
In upcasting, we uh, we can access parent class members. We don't have, whenever we want to access the parent class members, at that time we use upcasting, in which we create object of child class and assign to the parent class called as upcasting. And in downcasting, whenever we want to call the whenever we want the output of in implement body of overridden methods of child class or child class overridden methods, overridden variables, at that time we use downcasting. In this we create parent class object and assign to the child class called as downcasting.
Okay. Okay, but what is the need of the accessing the uh, methods of the parent class that you can able to do with the help of the inheritance only?
um, Parent many times we want the implementation body of parent class, at that time we use it.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, can you please tell me about the uh, what is the difference between through and throws keywords in Java?
Through is a customized exception which is provided by tester, which is used by tester, from which we can throw the exception, runtime exception, and throws keyword. This keyword is used to whereas to locate the method as any exception is come in the method. So for that we use a throws keyword. It declares it provided method signature.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So what is the difference between these and super keywords in Java?
This keyword refers to the current class, and super keyword whenever we want to access the parent class members in either relationship, at the time we use super keyword.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Can you please tell me what is meant by the private constructor in Java?
Private can say whenever we use the private access modifier before any constructor, that is called private constructor. If the all methods are static in that class, at the time we use private constructor. If private construct, we have declared the constructor as a private, so we can't create object of that class. That's
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me share my screen and let me know once you can able to see my screen. Okay, so can you please tell me what output we will get on the console here?
um, so. Firstly, this is a static block. This
Mm-hmm.
statement will get printed, and after that, this statement. This is a main method statement. This second statement will get printed.
Mm-hmm. Why it is going to print static block? Why it is going to print first this statement and then why main method statement is going to print?
Firstly, the main reason is static block requires less memory for it, and second main reason is a static block is a static keyword is coupled with class, and also before loading the main method, static block is already loaded. That's why static block will get printed first.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. So can you please tell me what is meant by the array in Java?
Array is a index collection of homogeneous data type. Uh, Array has two types: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array, and also heterogeneous data also we can uh, store in it.
Heterogeneous data also we can able to store in array.
Yes, it means string, char, also we can store.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I like. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between length and length method?
Length, we can whenever we want to access the size of array, at that time we use length, and the length method we whenever we want to get the size of string literal, at that time string, at that time we use length method.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. What is mean by the what is the difference between error and exception in Java?
Error is a serious problem that can be handled by using try and catch block, and it means compiler can handle it, and exception means this unwanted or unconditional event occurs, and it can be handled by compiler. So that is called uh, exception.
Mm-hmm. Let me quickly share my screen. Okay. Can you please tell me what output we will get over here on the console?
Null pointer exception.
Okay, null pointer exception. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So what is meant by the string in Java?
String is a immutable class. String is a sequence of characters, but in Java it is an object of sequence of characters. There are two ways to define string, by using string literal and by using string object. New keyword. We can store string in that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So can you please tell me what output we will get on the console?
First statement, its answer is it false, and second statement, it will yes, true. True output we take. False and
Okay.
true.
So okay, what is the difference between these two strings?
Uh, s- First one is a literal, and second is object. First, string literal, in which uh, the we are in object we are that location of that object storing memory is heap memory. In object it will store, and the location of that memory is different. First literal.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir. Second one is
Okay.
object, so their memory locations are different.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So okay, fine. Okay. What output we will get over here on the console?
No, sir, it may create.
Mm-hmm. No problem. Let me jump to the next question. Okay. Can you please tell me what output we will get over here?
Sir, then one is the output and that's it.
Second one is.
No out. It will not execute it finally block because we use system.exit statement. So
Mm-hmm.
because of that, a compiler will get exit from it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay, fine. Okay. All right. So, can you please tell me the difference between array list and vector in Java?
Uh, I know, but I can't think.
Can you please tell me the difference between link has set and has set in Java?
Link as in has said, it uses hash table, and link has said it uses has set hash table and doubly linked list to preserve the insertion order. In has set insertion order is not preserved, and in linked list insertion order is preserved. Has set require less memory. It require and linked list require large memory, and null for it has set allows only single null value, and also has linked list also allows only one null value, and has set is faster, and linked list is slow.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Can you please tell me the difference between hash map and hash table? Okay. All right. Okay. Let me quickly jump on the Selenium WebDriver. Can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the Selenium WebDriver?
Search context, then it is an interface,
What is
parent
meant by the
inter.
search? What is meant by the search context?
There all methods are stored. That means elements, find elements, all that methods are stored in that. Then WebDriver is also an interface which extends the search context interface. After that, remote WebDriver. This is a protected class, and Firefox, Chrome driver. These all classes extends the remote WebDriver. This is the hierarchy of.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. Can you please let me quickly share my screen and yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please explain me the meaning of this statement?
Uh, Upcasting is performed in the statement. WebDriver is an interface. We are making the Chrome driver is a class. We are making that object and which storing it to the WebDriver.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So why we so which object we created over here? Driver is which object?
Which object means
WebDriver class object or Chrome driver class
no,
object?
Chrome driver class object.
And then what we are doing here?
What?
What is the what does it mean? Like, what is the meaning of these concepts?
Uh,
So here we are creating an object of the child class, and then what exactly happened? Then what is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this whole statement? You said like
uh,
upcasting something.
yes, sir. I might get confused. I think driver is an interface, and we can't create the direct object from it, of that WebDriver interface. So that's why we make the object of that interface to child class of child class. Sorry, sir. I got it.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, can you please quickly share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, open the abibus.com website. Can you please click on the date button? Yes, date calendar. Yes, just click on the date calendar.
Yes.
Mm, Click over there. Okay, now we will get a list of date over here. I want to fetch the all dates over here which we mentioned here. Can you please write down the XPath for it?
Uh, by using date picker, we can access it. But
No, no, I want the XPath for fetching the all this date. Then Nikita,
Yes, sir.
where it is? It is not located.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, all right. So let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is meant by the alert and why we have to handle that alert?
Uh, alert is a alert is a in a alert is like a there is a code which present on a DOM structure of HTML, but the elements we are present in DOM structure, but it is not on a web page. If we don't handle that alert, so it throw mm, interrupts for execution of our program. Many times, sorry, it has three different types: simple alert, prompt alert, and confirmation alert. Simple alert, in simple alert, there is only some information or message or warning, and in prompt alert, it requires some input from the user. And in confirmation alert, we just have to pass some operation like okay or exit, cancel.
Mm-hmm,
That is called
mm-hmm.
confirmation alert.
No, no, but how to handle the? You are telling me the type of the alert, but how to handle the alert?
By using alert class, we can handle alert.
Are you sure about this?
No, sir, I can't recall, but I know how to handle that. Dot
Okay.
alert method we use uh, by
Mm-hmm,
using locating that web element, and in method we provide that element name.
mm-hmm. Okay, no problem. All right. So can you please tell me? Okay, can you please tell me what is the difference between what we can say get window handle and get window handles?
Uh, get window handle get window handle method. By using get window handle method, we can get the address of what parent window, and by using get window handles method, we can access both parent window address and child window address.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, all
And
right.
return type of get window handle method is string, and get window handles method is set of string.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So so you are using Maven for your automation, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the build life cycle of the Maven?
Um, clean class, compile, test, package, and install. This is the build life cycle of Maven.
Mm-hmm,
In clean, we clear the attributes and targets which are created already.
mm-hmm,
After that, compile. We compile by using this. We can compile the code, source code, and it compiles the source code. Then test uh, by using test, uh, test our compiled source code, and after that package in package, we can convert our project into the jar or war file, and install we install the package. So we installed our project into the uh, package into directory repository.
okay. All right. As in testing frameworks, are you like what tool are you using? Like TestNG are you using or what? TestNG?
Testing.
Okay, all right. So can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the HTML tags which is available in TestNG.xml file?
Hierarchy, yeah, at the rate
No, no,
suit.
no, no. I'm talking about the TestNG.xml file tags
Okay,
hierarchy.
tags. Okay, okay. Suit, suit tag. Then after that, suit class. Sorry, class. Then test tag. In SUTAC, all test classes are there. In class tag, there are test tags are included. Means test scripts are there. And in test, it is denoted by at the rate test. Their test methods are there in test tag.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me what is mean by the what is mean by the always run attribute in test engine?
Uh, whenever we depends on method we use in some at the rate test tag or in method. So at that time, if not a if parent method is not going executed, but we want to we must want to execute the child method. At the time, we denote always run is equal to true
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
by using this method.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what kind of listeners are you aware about?
I should listener. I know Asian listener. Is-
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay, no problem. Can you please tell me what is mean by the mm, okay, what is mean by the data provider annotation in test engine?
by using data provider, we can provide some test data to the method. Data provider can be achieved by using in uh, in uh, in my automation. I use Excel by using the Excel sheet. Excel, we access the data by using data provider.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. So what is okay? Let me quickly jump on the API testing. Can you please tell me what is mean by the stateless in a API testing?
Yes.
What is mean by the stateless in a REST API? No? Okay. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between path parameter and query parameter?
Uh, whenever we want to identify the resource, at that time we use path parameter, and in query parameter, whenever we want to filter and sort the data of resource, at that time we use the query parameter.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. What is mean by the okay? How we can okay? What kind of headers are you aware about the API testing? No. Okay. All right. No worries. Okay. So what is mean by the 403 status code?
Um, for the three shows forbidden error, in which the customer or client tries to access the uh, data from resource, but he have a client have authority, but he can't access. At that time, this message he got.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. All right. Okay. Can you please tell me what is mean by the what is mean by the 204 status code?
204.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay. No problem.
no content. So
Okay.
whenever customer client delete resource at that time, it message comes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let me quickly jump on the next question about the Jenkins. What is mean by the cron expression?
No,
No.
no,
How to integrate your Jenkins and GitHub?
no.
No. Okay. All right. Let me quickly jump on the Git. How we can able to initialize our directory into the empty Git repository?
By using a git init command.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. If you want to create a new branch then what command we have to use?
Git checkout hyphen b new branch name.
Mhm. Okay. All right, Nikita, I think I'm pretty much done for